Welcome to Floral Gossip, my favourite part of the workshop. Now, to my left here is one of my almost favourite cut flowers, because as you know, my favourite cut flowers are orchids. This is a lobster's claw. Magnificent. Now, if you're after a bold statement, this cut flower certainly screams out, "Hey, look at me!" Now, it is a tropical flower, which means that it's a big no-no to place these into a cool room. They are, let me give you an example. They're like Africans. You can't put an African in Antarctica. They hate the cold. So the best way to enjoy them is in the normal temperatures, of course, that you've got in your household. Now, one sign of aging is that, now this is a really, vibrant red to orange colour. As it starts to age, it starts to lose its colour, starts to fade. And you'll notice that along the edges here, it starts to get crispy. So any sign of aging, I do recommend that you give it a bit of a snip, a bit of a haircut. A nice haircut there, and a nice haircut there. Because when you don't do that, aging releases a gas called ethylene, and ethylene is going to start accelerating the aging process. Now, if you want extra kilometres out of your cut flower lobster's claw, I'm going to show you something that is certainly a tip. With the head, make sure you fill up a bucket 3/4 of the way, and make sure your bucket stands in water for a minimum of 4 hours. That's the required time, because as humans burp, so does water. So we need to release the element chlorine into the air, okay? And you need to soak in the head of your heliconia for a minimum of 15 minutes and a maximum, if you like, overnight. They do drink from their heads, and if they do drink from their heads, you are increasing their lifespan by 2 to 3 weeks. So every time you feel that it's getting a bit soft and not so crispy in feel, that firm feel, you need to then drown it in burped water. Once it's drowned, you then shake it off with the water, turn it back to upwards position, cut the stem, and then present into your most favourite vase in medium to shallow water. I don't encourage you to put a lot of water into your vase, it's not necessary. But if you feel that your vase is a bit wobbly, then the other solution is to fill it up with more water so your vase is very steady. They do have a heavy top, hence the reason why you need to make sure that your vase is quite sturdy and steady. I hope you've enjoyed today's weekly tip, because I certainly have. Let's hope you certainly have too.